Hey sweet friends, welcome back to the channel. For tea today we're making a dreamy, refreshing coffee that tastes like summer in a glass strawberry sweet cream iced latte. This drink combines smooth espresso, creamy milk, and a luscious strawberry sweet cream that's fruity, lightly sweet, and absolutely irresistible. It's perfect for warm mornings, afternoon pick-me-ups, or anytime you're craving a safe-face-style iced latte with a fun, fruity twist. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 shot espresso or 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, cooled ice cubes, 3/4 cup milk whole, oat, almond, or your favorite strawberry sweet cream, 3 tablespoons heavy cream, 2 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons strawberry syrup, or strawberry purée, 1 teaspoons sugar or sweetener, optional. Directions: start by preparing the strawberry sweet cream. In a small bowl or jar, combine the heavy cream, milk, strawberry syrup or purée, and sweetener if using whisk or shake until the mixture is smooth, lightly thickened, and beautifully pink. Set aside. Next, fill a tall glass with ice cubes. Pour the cooled espresso or strong coffee over the ice, filling the glass about halfway. Slowly add the milk, letting it blend gently with the coffee for that classic iced latte base. Now for the fun part, slowly pour the strawberry sweet cream over the top of the drink. It will cascade beautifully through the coffee and milk, creating a layered effect that looks just as good as it tastes. Give it a gentle stir if you prefer everything mixed together. Finish with an extra drizzle of strawberry syrup or a fresh strawberry slice if you're feeling fancy. And just like that, your strawberry sweet cream iced latte is ready, cool, creamy, fruity, and perfect for sipping. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more refreshing coffee creations. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors. Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. The description: https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.